Hi everyone, it's your boy Hey John, where I jabber opportunities nonstop. I cover the fundamentals, aka the news. I cover the technicals, aka the sticks. And now your boy has bought some software that allows us to now deep dive into the blockchain. All right, so we will be able to see insights into the blockchain. We will see who the bag holders are, who are the ones holding, etc., etc. This is fantastic. This is what the pros use, and guess what? I provide this to you for 4 easy payments of free. All you need to do is smash that subscribe button. And today we are going to cover the news, all right? So let's get to it. All right, check this out, folks. Check this out. Will Ethereum or Dogecoin grow more by 2022? This is literally phenomenal, folks. Phenomenal. Do you get that, folks? The fact that this question is even being posed just tells you how threatened these Ethereum and Bitcoin people feel, because guess what? Dogecoin is here and it's coming for Ethereum and Bitcoin, folks. It is gonna go. It's gonna go there 100%. The question is when. That's all that matters, folks. When. Every week, Benzinga conducts a survey to collect sentiment on what traders are most excited about, interested, or in thinking about as they manage and build their personal portfolios. This week, we posed the following question to over 1,000 Benzinga visitors on two of the world's most popular cryptocurrencies. Over the next year, which cryptocurrency will have the largest percentage gain? Here are the results from the survey. Ethereum, 12.6%. Dogecoin, 83.1%. Ladies and gentlemen, this means that the people like you and me, are voting on these surveys right here, right? We do not know how large the sample is, but the overall sentiment is that, you know what, everyone is saying next year in 2022, Dogecoin is going places. Ethereum will probably go up, but not as much. So guess what? There is way more bullish sentiment in the Dogecoin over Ethereum. This is phenomenal news, folks. Phenomenal. This is telling us in the future, guess what? We're gonna see more large investors into Dogecoin. And guess what? When they do that, they are going to hold that float, and we are going to move to the MOON, moon. Okay, folks, the moon. If you want to get a moon, these articles like this are taking us to the moon, folks, because they are spreading the Dogecoin gospel and they're sharing that news, folks. All right, that news. So let's go ahead and check the next article, folks. All right, this is pretty interesting as well. Check it out. No, here we go. Will Bitcoin or Dogecoin grow more by 2022? Holy cow, you're seeing another article here being dropped saying, hey, you know what? Who is going to go bigger here? Bitcoin or Dogecoin by 2022? Oh my God, you know what? I'm pretty sure it's going to be the Dogecoin, the people's furry friend, the people's furry currency. Let's see what the article says. Every week, Benzinga conducts a survey to collect sentiment on what traders are most excited about, interested in, or thinking about as they manage and build their personal portfolios. This week, we pose the following question. Pose the following question to Benzinga visitors on two of the world's most popular cryptocurrencies. Over the next year, which cryptocurrency will have the largest percentage gain? Here are the results from this week's survey. Bitcoin, 12.6%. Dogecoin, 87.4%. By the way, folks, the survey is unanimous, and they're saying Dogecoin for the most part. Again, we do not know what kind of sample they use to survey, but you know what? Let's take it for what it's worth. This means people believe Ethereum and Dogecoin is pretty much frothy and pretty much at the all-time highs. So what they're saying is, you know what, we don't see much growth potential here. So let's go to the altcoins that have, less sentiment. And guess what? Dogecoin is looking particularly cheap. Imagine what happens when institutional investors jump into the Dogecoin. Do you think the current price of 40 cents is expensive, or even 50 cents? Absolutely not. To me, that is not looking expensive at all. Man, when we get that institutional money, holy cow, they are going to solidify the Dogecoin base, and they are going to hold that float, baby, and we're going to go to the MOON, moon. All right, folks, Check out this article. Is CME launching Dogecoin Futures? What you should know. If you do not know what CME, it's essentially a trading group that essentially lets you trade commodities like oil, natural gas, etc., folks. This is insane. Okay, imagine we get Dogecoin futures. Can you imagine what that means for Dogecoin? CME says does not plan to launch a futures product based on Dogecoin. The block reported Sunday. What happened? The Chicago-based operator of markets confirmed that it had no plans to launch a product after a new-centric Twitter account broke news to the contrary earlier. People familiar with the matter told the block. Here, the tweet here. First squawk. Chicago Mercantile Exchanges said to launch Dogecoin futures. Folks, that is entirely rumor. But imagine though, what would happen if we did happen, folks? If we did happen, oh my God, you're gonna see so much institutional money coming into the Dogecoin. But at the same time, when that happens, you're gonna have a lot more people manipulating the markets. So in a way, I'm actually very thankful that this did not happen and it's only a rumor. Okay, here. Why it matters. First Squawk was one of the Twitter accounts that gave a boost to a headline on social media centered on US regulators charging several unnamed financial institutions for money laundering using cryptocurrency, noted the block. The FX hedge, US Treasury to charge several financial institutions for money laundering using cryptocurrency sources. Okay, folks, this is not good for cryptocurrency. If cryptocurrency gets tagged in with, tied into money laundering, maybe in drugs or whatever that is illegal for the most part, and using cryptocurrency as an asset class to pretty much, wash their money in a sense where you pay your IRS gains and everything, and then kind of washing your money and putting it back to the economy to do whatever you want with it. This means the government will crack down on cryptocurrency, and if this happens, I suspect cryptocurrency is going to do very, very poorly. But again, okay, back to the article, folks. The rumors surrounding the regulators were a factor in BTC weekend decline, according to Telegraph. A tweet carrying a headline allegedly boosted by First Squawk, among others. Doge, meanwhile, has been on an ascent since last week, in part buoyed by social media frenzy. After its price crossed the 10-cent psychological mark, the cryptocurrency touched an all-time high of 43 cents on Friday. Yes, folks, if you're on my live stream, we have witnessed history time after time for the past few days. Dogecoin is doing remarkable things, okay? Dogecoin has a huge social media following. Huge social media following. That is why Dogecoin is going to be here to stay, folks, because they have the people, and the Doge community is the best Doge community for sure. No doubt whatsoever in my mind. All right, folks, check this out here. Dogecoin Creator defends meme crypto supply. Doesn't matter for price. Folks, this is the Dogecoin Creator saying, you know what? The inflationary price does not matter for the price. This is a pretty good tagline. Let's see what it says, folks. Let's see. What happened? Marcus took to Twitter explain platform to explain his rationale. He said that while Doge supply is fixed, cryptocurrencies are infinite. New coins come out every day, hour, minute, and various parameters and various random reasons. People can point to that, make them superior or not. That doesn't matter for price. Only buying and selling does, said Marcus. The Dogecoin co-creator said that the fact that Doge is valuable is ironic, and so is the fact that it attracts haters. Absolutely. In today's live stream right here, right? If you were in my live stream, you saw that we saw the CNBC article on YouTube, and guess what? All the people in the live stream took personal pride in protecting their investment by going to our video and downvoting that thing, all right? We did it, folks. We were in a Doge army, and we did our duty to protect our investment, all right, folks? Fantastic. So, right here. Dogecoin started as a parody. This is exactly what it was parodying: all the tribalism, all the random hate in people taking up their bags and on other people. The fact that Doge is valuable is ironic. The fact that it has massive haters for that is also ironic. Absolutely, folks. Absolutely, folks. Nobody likes it when they see someone else with success. So you know what? Haters are here to stay, folks. They're here all day, every day. So be positive, and that is what Doge is all about. Do only good every day, folks. Marcus said in response to a comment on Twitter that Doge, like every other cryptocurrency, has a value as ascribed to it by the people. Yes, I 100% agree with that. It is basically worth what you are willing to pay for it. Marcus pointed to Tesla CEO Elon Musk dot on Dogecoin supply when he said in February that Doge's inflation is not meaningful since only a fixed number of coins are added per unit of time, while Bitcoin is deflationary to a fault. Yes, sir. If you want to make the coin more accessible, you need to have coins floating around. Think about this. Do you want to go and buy something with, I don't know, 5 Dogecoin, or do you want to buy something with 0.000001 Bitcoin? You tell me which is more confusing, folks. You tell me which is more confusing. Alright, folks, why it matters. The reason why the reason why Musk enjoys Dogecoin is because of irony, according to Marcus. But the reason why it has value is just buying and selling. The co-creator revealed on Twitter that he owns 122,000 Doge worth around 40K as of this press time. Doge has risen 6,860% since the year began. Ladies and gentlemen, those are some phenomenal games, folks. Phenomenal games. I like this next article title. One meme to rule them all. To rule them all. All Dogecoin outpaces cryptocurrency. Wall Street bets community on Reddit. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Dogecoin is going places, folks. If you don't believe in Dogecoin, you should believe it now because it's going places, folks. And if you're in it, guess what? You are making phenomenal gains, folks. Phenomenal. So I just want to end it there, and it's your boy Hey John, where I jabber opportunities nonstop. If you enjoy this fundamental news and you want the technical analysis and you want to see the insight into the blockchain, you want to make sure you are subscribed to my channel, okay? Because guess what? You are gonna see some great things in the future. It's your boy Hey John. I will catch you all on the next one. Take care. Goodbye.